Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you are fine. In this lecture I will solve exercise number 4.7, question number 1, part number 3. Solve the following infinite series. Part number 3, that is 1 divided by 2 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1 divided by 2 square plus 1 divided by 3 square plus 1 divided by 2 cube plus 1 divided by 3 cube plus up to so on. Since the two geometric series, that is first 1 divided by 2 plus 1 divided by 2 square plus 1 divided by 2 cube plus up to so on, and second geometric series, that is 1 divided by 3 plus 1 divided by 3 square plus 1 divided by 3 cube plus up to so on. First geometric series, that is here a1 is equal to 1 divided by 2, a2 is equal to 1 divided by 2 square. Next, third term, R is the common ratio between A1 and A2. So value of A2 is equal to 1 divided by 2 square and value of A1 is equal to 1 divided by 2. So 1 divided by 2 whole square is equal to 1 divided by 4 divided by 1 divide 2. So R is equal to 1 divide 4 multiply 2 divide 1, so 2 times 4, so R is equal to 1 divide 2. Next, second geometric series, that is here first term, that is A3 is equal to 1 divide 3, A4 is equal to 1 divided by 3 square. So R is the common ratio between A3 and A4. So value of A4 is equal to 1 divided by 3 square. Fraction, value of A3 is equal to 1 divided by 3. So 1 divided by 3 square can also be written in the form of 1 divided by 9 divided by 1 divide 3. So R2 is equal to 1 divide 3 by reciprocal 3 divide 1, 3 times 9. So R2 is equal to 1 divide 3. Since the sum of infinite series, that is S infinite, is equal to A1 divided by 1 minus R1 plus second infinite series A2 divided by 1 minus R2. So by putting the value in finite series, that is S infinite is equal to first term A1 is equal to 1 divide 2 fraction 1 minus value of R1 is equal to 1 divide 2 plus second infinite term, that is value of A3 is equal to 1 divide 3 fraction 1 minus value of R2 is equal to 1 divide 3. So 1 divide 2 fraction 1 minus 1 divide 2 can also be written in the form of 1 divided by 2 plus 1 divided by 3 fraction 1 minus 1 divided 3 can also be written in the form of 2 divided by 3. So 1 divide 2 divided by 1 divide 2 cancel equal to 1 plus, so 1 divide 3 denominator take reciprocal 3 cancel. So S infinite is equal to 1 plus 1 divided by 2. 1 plus 1 divided by 2 can also be written in the form of 3 divided by 2. So S infinite is equal to 3 divide 2. Which is the required solution. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.